Hi, students and family members, and welcome to Week 9 on the Smoketown 4th grade website, Virtual Learning. This week, we wanted to point out two key factors. The first is our featured link. This is the Smoketown Field Day Field Week link. Clicking on it will take you to a link of activities that you and your family can participate in Field Day virtually. Feel free to do that while you have some downtime this week. We also wanted to point out the first resource, the Wax Museum website, which all students hopefully will participate in. If you didn't have an opportunity to check out Week 8's Wax Museum link to help brainstorm, research, figure out a costume, props, and poster, click on this link here. That will take you back to last week's page so that you can conduct and pick a person, research that person, write a speech, gather props, create a poster to be prepared for this week's virtual presentation. Once you've gathered everything and your speech is good to go, watch this video for students that will show you how to post your presentation to Flipgrid. Then, on Wednesday and Thursday, Mrs. Novak's students and Mr. Panza's students will post their presentations. On Thursday, Mrs. Riley's students and Mrs. Smith's students will post their performances. All students are expected to visit each one of these 4 Flipgrid links so that they can comment on other students' performances. Then you'll notice on Friday, you'll have more time to go back and add comments on other classmates' Flipgrids. When you are finished, feel free to continue to add to the Smoketown Field Day Field Week activities. All of the ways that you can post your project as well as respond to other students will be seen in this video here. Those are the two main links for this week, Week 9, the Smoketown Field Day link and the Wax Museum link. The reason we're pointing that out is because you'll notice that on all other pages, the workload has been lightened. Let's start with writing. First of all, we're looking for Week 9. Week 9, week of May 25th. On writing this week, you still have your prompts, but there are only 3 of them, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Use your additional time that you would have spent writing, doing either the field day activities or working on your Wax Museum. Math, week 9, we have your daily problems, Tuesday through Friday, but you'll notice that there is no lesson of the week. So use your additional time again, going on and completing the field day activities or conducting your Wax Museum responses or your performance. In reading this week, we do start a new story. It's called Encyclopedia Brown. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there are activities, but on Friday you have some free time where you can once again do the Smoketown Field Day or complete your Wax Museum assignment for the week. There are no new spelling words this week, so we encourage you to go back to any one of the other weeks, look at the spelling menu, and perhaps try a few of these activities that are listed on these 9 pages. If you feel as though you're done with spelling, feel free to move on to a different activity for this week. STEM is a review week. Each day we will review 2 different technologies that we have learned throughout the course of our online learning. And then on Friday, after you've watched all of the videos, you will complete this Google form that is a survey about the different tech tools that we've used during this time in our at-home learning. In science this week, we wrap up the curriculum with a few mini lessons on simple machines. Tuesday with a Google form, Wednesday with videos and activity, and Thursday. Friday is a day where once again you can continue to participate in the Smoketown Field Week or complete your Wax Museum. History is another one where we have taken this and made it optional. You'll notice there's just one quick prompt that you can share with your teacher if you want to do that. And finally, in grammar, there is no more lesson of the week for grammar, but you still have the daily edits for Tuesday through Friday. So once again, we wanted to point out that our main links this week are the Field Day link, as well as the Wax Museum link, which we're hopeful that all students will participate in these two excellent activities. Your fourth grade teachers are always available to contact through our emails on the contact link, and we thank you for visiting the Smoketown fourth grade website.